It's time to stop the whining and complaining and stop the negativity because your prospects are watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stand out on Facebook as an entrepreneur and make sure you don't risk failure. Hey there, I'm Chris, and I know that a lot of entrepreneurs are struggling with marketing their businesses on Facebook. And it can seem like everyone's trying to do it, but nobody is actually getting anywhere. And that's simply because most people are doing it wrong. I'm going to show you some simple things that you can start doing so that your message stands out and you get attention. I'm going to keep this video short, so watch it start to finish so that you can start seeing success in your Facebook marketing. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get an alert every time I create a new class about how to grow your business. Because over the past 21 years, I've helped thousands of people grow their businesses by attracting clients online. The first strategy I want to share with you is to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. You need to develop a keen sense for this, but when everyone else is talking about themselves and showing their own successes, you should be spending time talking about your clients and the success they had in working with you, showing the transformation. When your competition is teasing some lame offer that isn't going to get anyone results, you should be producing content that will get people results without the expectation of anything in return. When they're doing the dumb things that don't work, like that hashtag small business challenge, you should be building and nurturing relationships with your perfect prospects. And I know that might be offensive to some, but truly, are you getting any clients by doing that small business challenge nonsense? I didn't think so. Posting testimonials is a fantastic way to stand out as an entrepreneur. But let me ask you this, is it easy for you to ask for testimonials, or do you have some sort of resistance? Let me know in the comments below, is it easy or not to ask for testimonials? If I see enough people saying it's not, I'll share with you a strategy for asking for testimonials that works every single time. If you want to stand out, you've got to be everywhere on Facebook. This means leveraging the power of all of the different content types. Posts, posts with images, posts without images, image-only posts, videos, live videos, reels, stories. The key here is to pick a primary content type and let all of the other types of content access the primary one that you're using. Let's imagine that you're using video as your primary content type. That means you're recording videos and you're uploading them directly into Facebook. This is what we call native video inside of Facebook. You're also going to use posts with text and with images, maybe screen captures from those videos or short snippets from those videos as a reel or as a story to accent your primary content type, which were those videos that you created. Make sure that you're always contributing that one content type so that people see consistency, but you're using the other content types to drive visibility to your primary content. Many of the people that come into my flagship program are concerned that they're not getting the visibility that they want on Facebook, so you're not alone if you feel the same way. And truly, many entrepreneurs struggle with that issue, but there are things that you can do to correct it and get the visibility that you need to grow your business. And one of them that will help you stand out as an entrepreneur on Facebook is consistency. And by consistency, I mean you're picking a schedule that you're going to contribute content to the platform and you're sticking to it. Whether that's once a day or once a week, you're going to be contributing content to the platform. The platform likes to see that because that shows that you're a predictable creator for the platform and they're going to reward you for that. But moreover, your prospects are going to respond very well to this because they're going to be seeing you again and again and again. And if you're showcasing a message of transformation, they're going to warm up to you rapidly and see you as the authority and trust you as the expert. And then they're going to step forward wanting to become clients. Have you ever written a post on Facebook that got no likes and no comments? It's probably because you wrote content that your audience didn't respond to. And that's a learning lesson for you when you're looking to stand out as an entrepreneur on Facebook. You should observe every single post you make. Look at the number of likes, look at the number of comments, and then look at the content and see why that content responded the way it did on the platform. Why did it get more visibility? Why did more people comment? Why did more people like? Or in the other direction, why did you get very little interaction? And we should always be looking to replicate the things that worked and stop doing the things that don't work. So in troubleshooting your content, look at the data that you have in front of you. Look at the interactions, look at the applause, look at the comments, and do more of the things that got lots of interaction. The more you do that, the more visibility you're going to get, and the more you're going to stand out. Your prospects, who you want to turn into clients, see everything about you online. They are checking you out and they are watching your every move. It's time to stop the whining and complaining and stop the negativity, because your prospects are watching. The next class in this series is going to be right here as soon as I'm done recording it. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications so that I can keep bringing you training on how to grow your business online.